Let's get started. Okay. Today, mostly, okay, this is the first session, right? So most of them I got to hear you guys are from non-IT. My chat said you guys, most of the people are from non-IT background. I think there are 25 plus people. So 25 plus people, most of them from the non-IT. Hmm. Today we are not going to be discussed anything about ServiceNow technical related stuff because next to 2 months or 45 to 50 sessions, mostly we would be focusing on it, right? In 1 day or 2 days, maybe we can learn something, introduction to the service now. But before you are learning any technology or any course, okay, any course, you need to understand what support you may get it and how you can be showcased or how you will be converting this experience, for example, non-IT into the IT, how you can be converting your experience. Maybe I do have experience in non-IT as 1 year or 2 years or 3 years. I am into the different kind of platform, or I do have some career gap. Okay. But if I have the career gap, sir, how you can help me? Because in the market, there are many people where they are training, they are giving the training, maybe in any other technology or service now. But why I should be joining in our institution, Veda Technologies? What supports you may get it if you join here? Subject and all, I may teach 100 of example, other may teach 101 examples to make you understand subject and all, right? But why should I join here? What support I can get it? And I did share some, link. Did you guys noted your questions there? Anyone?
No,
Did anyone get a chance to look into that particular
no,
link?
this is my first class.
In the WhatsApp group, I think she has shared, right? HRD. Because any batch before I'm starting, okay, to make you feel comfortable, we do. Can you go on the mute? Can you go on the mute side? We do share some link, okay, so where people can go there and write your all questions. Write your all questions because in this meeting you might be shy or you are having some fairness where you might not be able to ask anything. Hmm? Did anyone? Let me see it.
No, I see the link and a few are added.
If you are at it. Okay.
Yeah.
Before we have started, answering around these questions, okay. See, myself, Nani, I do have around 11 years of experience and almost 5 plus years of experience into the service now. And before I had a chance to work on the QA, like test automation and performance testing. We do have the channel also. Okay, we do have the channel called Veda Technologies. We had been established almost platforms 6 years ago. Okay, since 6 years, we had placed the people. Okay, not 100% there wouldn't be any placement before. Okay, if I tell you frankly, no one will be. Let's say if we have 25 plus people in the batch, all 25 plus people will not be placed. Why? Because all the people wouldn't be learned. Because even I would be filter out, right? I would be filter out all the people who ever learned. Whenever I get the, I can take the mock interview. probably I can filter out the people. Later, we can get started with actual process. So this is our YouTube channel. So few people knows it. This is me. So we will be started,
Yeah, thank you.
uploading the videos here. Okay. I have started it September 29th, 2024. Before I do have the channel also, but almost 12K plus subscribers were there, but somehow it is blocked. So again, we have started uploading the videos. So it's been 6 months. In 6 months, we have uploaded 153 videos. So most of the videos, if you see nowadays, I am focusing on the service now. Actually, I do got fever in the night. I shouldn't miss any session so that I'm taking it. But be patient.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah. This
Get well soon,
is,
please.
yeah. Thank you. So I wasn't having the sleep at the night almost. Just I had 2 hours of sleep. Then I'm taking the session. I'm not much comfortable to take the session today, but I shouldn't miss it. See here, almost we are focusing on the ServiceNow related stuff nowadays. You'll be seeing, okay, job openings for the QA and ServiceNow. This can be taken care of my HR team. Okay. This is like batch 27 videos somehow we have uploaded. Mock interviews of the ServiceNow would be there usually. Okay. And you'll be seeing different kind of topics related information. And we do have the Instagram also. So from there, you are approaching our institution, right? Instagram related. Okay. I'm holding around 10 plus years of experience, close to 11 years. Okay. Here, 11 years of experience into the IT. But into the teaching, I do have experience around 6 years. Okay. Since 6 years, we have trained most of the people. They are from non-IT. Some of them were having the career gap. Okay. But almost 250 plus people we had placed in 6 years, not more than 250 plus people. But how did they place? What we have done from our end, okay? What people does and fail, or some of them have got success. What is the roadmap of it? First thing. Hmm? If you are able to see here, okay, the questions people are asked. First question, I don't have IT background. Hmm? I am into the sales. Okay, sales 4 years. Can I still learn the service now and get the job? Okay, this is being shared with you guys. Okay, most of them asked the questions around the 28, I feel. But I don't have any IT background, but I am into the sales 4 years. Can I still learn the service now and get a job? So, how many of you relate this question? So maybe you will be having different kind of experience, but it is a non-IT. Okay, some of them I got to hear operations, business process, or HR executive, or into different kind of domains. But can I still learn the service now and get the job? This is what the question of it. And also, there is a comment. Also, my friends are there. They are into mapping and process analyst and planning to move IT. Yes, sir. For your answer, okay, you don't need any prerequisite or any IT experience to move to the service now. Okay. In next 2 months, you will be learning everything here. You will be learning everything. But what you need to do is Okay. In 2 months, okay, 2 months course get finished. Before 2 months, there are couple of interviews, couple of mock interviews. You should have to join daily into the sessions. You need to give the interviews, that is mock interviews. At least if you tell 70% of the subject, whatever we are being discussed in this duration, okay, then we will get started your profile into the service now. Nothing can be happened because being the BGV, you will not be having any concerns or challenges because you are holding somehow experience into here. Okay, you can applicable for any MNC, big MNCs. Okay, only thing you need to learn this. These 2 months you need to give your best. Okay, whatever we are learning here, it is the practical. Whatever we are learning here, it can be useful for our interview process also. Okay, you will be getting the job. Any IT experience or any non-IT experience people can get a job. This 2 months is very crucial for you guys. If you learn it properly, okay, if you practice it properly,
Yes, Veda.
somewhat we were discussing and I had dropped off unfortunately. But we were discussing about can I get the job if I have somewhat experience into the non-IT, that is sales. Sir, sales, or if you are into the process analyst, or if you are into the mapping, okay, everyone can get a job, ServiceNow job easily. Okay, there are a lot of opportunities into the market. Okay, if you don't trust me, do one thing. Okay, contact our HR team. They will be sharing you one resume. Okay, you can keep in the Naukari. Okay, you can keep any name or any like email ID. You can create and keep one resume in Naukari. You will get lot of calls. If you don't get the calls, give up here because you are not enrolling today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You will be learning first to 5 sessions freely. Okay, because I want to make sure you are comfortable with the subject. I want to make sure you will be getting the confidence. Because if I take one session or two session or three sessions, in 3 sessions, you would be in a dilemma and you joined or you might not be joined. But if you are learning or joining at 5 sessions of demo, you might get some confidence at this point and at my teaching. See here, okay, you join today's session. Daily, what I do, I had 3 batches daily, okay, 2 to 3 batches mostly, not more than. If we join at 8:30, okay, session, in 8:30 to 9:30 or 9:45 sessions will go, definitely. Okay, because if I tell 1 hour, you don't trust me 1 hour. Definitely there would be 15 minutes extra time for the doubts and all, or somehow it will go extra time. After 2 hours or 3 hours, there would be one more session for you guys. That is assignments. Assignments you should join. Okay. In the assignments, whatever we are learning here, okay, maybe 1 hour or 2 hours, whatever we are learning here, we will be implementing here. Everyone should on the video call and work on for 30 minutes. Whenever we started learning it practically, 30 minutes assignment should be done. Maybe if you are the professionals, like if you are into your job roles, you might not be joining, right? That's okay. This video will be recorded or this meeting will be recorded. You can go through because most of the people, if I take the session and leave, right, they are not practicing, most of the people. So that since last 6 to 7 batches, this session is I am arranging with help of my students or my existing students or my HR team. If any doubts, I will be there. Okay. Roadmap to any tool or any IT technology, whatever you are learning, practice is most important. If you don't practice, it's worthless nowadays. It is worthless. You will not get a job. But 2 months, in next to 2 months or 3 months, you should be dedicated on the service now. You will get lot of opportunities. Opportunities level, you nothing to be worried. You can keep one resume and come to me if you are not getting the calls. Because in next to 4 days or 5 days, we will be communicated. You can ask me right away. But whenever you are uploading the resume, today you have uploaded, right? Maybe Tuesday you will be getting started getting the calls. Okay. So hope this is answer you. And converting this resume or documentation wise, you shouldn't be able to change anything. Let's say if you are getting 5 LPA, keep it as it is. Okay. If your current salary is 5 LPA, maybe you will be getting 8 or 9 lakhs easily nowadays. I don't commit more than because you will get it, but you will be getting it. But as a new guy, new platform to this particular service now, and joined somewhere with 15 LPA or 20 LPA. If you are not performing well, you will be out if you join any organization. First, whenever you are starting something, join with very less salary. That is my suggestion for everyone. Because whatever you are working on here or earning something is completely not matching. I know for non-IT people. Come here, join 8 or 9 lakhs, work for 6 months or 1 year, get maturity at the subject, and dive into 15 LPA or 20 LPA. You will get it. But don't dive directly into this 15 LPA because every minute would be hectic if you are having very high salary initially because we are not much good at particular platform, whatever we are learning. You will be learning here everything, ma. But whenever you join in one of the organization, right? Definitely 1 month the support is required to get settled down. Learn the subject, implementation should be done. After 6 months or 1 year, you change it to another company, you will get this. I'm sure. Because my students currently, whoever are working, the last LPA was 23 for 5 years. But if you have the 5 years, you shouldn't be keeping relevant experience as 5 years. 5 years into total experience, and 3 years or last 4 years will be keeping it to the service now. Okay. Okay. Hope this is answered for your question. Okay. And next point, do I do I need to know coding to start the career in service now? No, sir. Nothing is required. No prerequisites or coding knowledge is required to learn the service now. In 2 months, in next 2 months, whatever required, I will teach you. I feel make you comfortable at this, definitely. You can watch my YouTube channel. Maybe today I am not much comfortable to tell you everything. I am having severe headache and all. Okay. Leave me for today. But you can watch my YouTube channel, Veda Technologies. You will understand how I can be teaching from a scratch everything. Nothing to be worried. You just go there, particular playlist, and see, try seeing it. If you're not getting something, then ask me. You will you will understand everything. That's how our course is designed. Okay. Next, I have experience into manual testing 3 years with low CTC. Can I switch into the service now? Yes, sir. Everyone can switch into the service now. Whatever we had discussed here, right, it can be applicable for you. But lower CTC, okay, it depends on the company and it depends on the technology, whatever you had chosen, right? But manual testing, you should have to learn service now if you wanted to be switch into, or for you, automation testing is also there for manual testers. But yes, in your concern, yes, it is possible to get a job into the service now also. Okay, fine. Next question. Hi, sir. I have joined one of the institute. Never learned. Finished the course in 40 days. Was most dependent. Was most dependent. And they said, take care of proxy. At end of the course, uh, got to know it is not working. But can I trust here to join to get a job? Okay. You joined somewhere and learn it in 40 days. In just 40 days, huh? Okay. In 40 days, you learn something. You never learned. Okay. See, maybe the conversation, whatever you had kept here, I did understand you had focused on this proxy. See, sir, if someone coming to you and say proxy and giving you the job, don't trust them, even anyone, includes us. Proxy doesn't work, sir, nowadays. Since 3 years, it don't work. Maybe you learn the subject, okay, you did given your best for 2 months and learned very practically, but you are unable to answer it in the interview. But I need this, sir, proxy. Without proxy I wouldn't be getting the job. It's wrong statement. Whenever you are learning, okay, whenever you are spending the amount of time here, 2 months, you will be learning everything, including the interview perspective and the practical way. Everything you will be learning here. But don't rely on the proxy. But how I can place here? How can I trust your question? Okay, I think somehow I did answer here. Okay, whenever you started learning, you will be spending 30 minutes or 40 minutes of time on the assignments, whatever we are committing for. Later, I will be taking the mock interviews. There, I can tell you where you are lag or where you should be improved, because most of the people will be having communication skills issues, or they wouldn't be speaking well. Maybe they would be good at practical things, but they are not at implementing or explaining the subject. That's how interview fails. But here you should have to practice, you should have to give your best, including the interview process. And one more thing here, this is most important. Okay. From my side, I can help you the interview, but not proxy, sir. Instead of proxy, I will be there. I will prompt you or writing the code. This is important for you guys. Does anyone know prompting something and all? This is not much professional when I say this, but definitely it is needed for you guys. Prompting someone knows? Anyone? Anybody tried any other technology? Learned and tried and then you are coming here. Anyone?
No, sir.
See here, prompting means okay, you will be there in the interview. Okay, you'll be there in the interview, and 60% or 60%, I don't say 70%, okay, 60% of questions will be from here, sir. Wherever we are learning 2 months, 60% of the questions will be from here. Okay, that's how we will learn the course. And next, the remaining questions, if you are not knowing, I will try to tell you over the mobile. Okay, then you will be explaining it to the interviewer. It is somehow unprofessional, but it is needed, definitely, trust me. Okay, I don't charge anything extra for this process. Only thing you should have to give your best here, and I will filter out the people here. Mock interviews, I take it. Minimum, if you had the knowledge, then process your profile. I can help you out here because most of the people, okay, if let's say 100 people are there, 30 or 40 people will be given their best to learn the subject. But coming to the interview, only two or three people will be cracked because of fairness, because of this part. No one will see, no one will agree, sir. In instead, they will tell 100% we teach subject. No one will teach 100% because there shouldn't be any scope to teach 100%. Even from my side, I teach this only 60% because we wouldn't be having the scope of it. You should have to learn yourself. This is for sure. Any best institution, any IT technology, they don't cover 100%. Okay, maybe we can cover the topics, but somehow we can't be covered all the practical things. But you will be learning here this much to answer everything in the interview. The remaining part I will take care of it. That's how people got the offer. So this is most important for you guys, correct? Because you will be holding this much experience, or do I able to crack the interview? First point. The answer is this entire process. See here, you are getting some package, but you are converting into the service now to get settled down very well. Correct or not? To settle down in the life, to settle down in your career, you are coming to the service now, not to go down. Okay. If you wanted to be good at or packages level in service now, you should learn everything. See here, if I don't take the mock interview, if I help everyone in the interviews, okay, you joined, you got the offer, you joined somewhere in X company. After joining it, okay, do you agree you will be serving for 2 months or 3 months, not more than first point? Only 2 months. Then you will come out. But what is the need of coming here and learning? Maybe if you are getting something here into the non-IT, you are very happy. You joined here somehow 9 lakhs or 10 lakhs. In 2 months, your job is gone. Then is it worth or worthless? Definitely worthless. So that is why this is the entire process what I had designed for everyone.